So hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can redeem your gift card on the Best Buy e-commerce website or e-commerce shopping application. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to smash that like button as well as subscribe, because we promise to bring you more awesome videos like this one. And without any further ado, let us move on to our computer screen. So the first thing we want to do is simply make sure that we are on our desktop or our Android device and that we are connected to the internet. Once you do that, what you want to do is simply open any of the browser which you have on a device. In my case, I'm going to simply open Google. Once you open your browser, in the search box, you want to go ahead to the bestbuy.com website right over here. Once you go to bestbuy.com, you want to wait for the site to load up, and once it successfully loads up, you also want to make sure that you are actually logged into your account, because if you are not logged in, then obviously will not be able to redeem the gift card or any type of coupon codes or discount vouchers. So in order to redeem our code on bestbuy.com, the process is actually a little bit different. As for other e-commerce websites, you can have the option in the settings or so on, but in this case it is a little bit different, so you want to simply make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, if you want to redeem your card, you want to simply add any products which you want to shop to your cart section right over here. Let me add any products to my cart and try to shop it first. So as you can see, let us suppose that I want to shop any of these products. I'm going to simply add these items to cart. Once you are done shopping, on the top right hand side, you can see the cart button right over here. You want to simply click on cart button which says cart. Once you go to cart, it will take you to the cart page where you will have the option to change the quantity and so on. So what you want to do is simply select any of these options, and on the right hand side you want to go to the checkout page. So once you go to checkout, wait for the checkout page to load up. As you can see here, you want to fill in the form by filling in your address and so on, and enter all of the details and credentials correctly. So once you do that, at the bottom of the screen you will be able to see the option called continue to payment information. What we want to do is simply click on continue to payment information. As you click on continue to payment information, here you can see it is asking us to enter our full name, address, city and so on. Now in order to redeem a gift card or store credit or discount code, right under the credit or debit card number, you can see a small option called use a Best Buy gift card, store credit or discount code. So what you want to do is simply click on this text which is highlighted in blue. Once you do that, you can see it is asking us to enter card number or discount code, and you also want to enter the PIN if required at all. If it asks for a PIN, so make sure you have entered all of the details of your card or your discount code properly, including numbers, letters and so on. Once you do that, at the bottom you want to simply click on apply, and all of the discounts whichever this card has according to it will be successfully applied when you purchase this product right over here. So in this way, you can really easily redeem your gift card on your bestbuy.com website or e-commerce site. We hope that this guide video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in our next video.